Chain store sales as a whole in the U.S. resumed low single-digit increases this past week. Nothing really robust, of course, but 2% up isn't bad. ICSE expects December to end somewhere in the 1% to 2% positive range. Meanwhile, Spending Pulse estimated that jewelry sales between November 1st and December 24th rose by almost 6% in the U.S. Sales during Christmas season 2008 were down by double digits. Now for some really positive returns this year, all we had to do was look at our industry's publicly traded companies. With a new calendar year knocking at the door, it's a good time to weigh in on the Rapaport Tradewire Stock Watch list. You might be surprised by these results given the lack of any positive news from the retail and mining sectors this year. But only 8 stocks we followed lost any ground from 1 year ago. 47 were positive, many of these with triple-digit growth. First, the big boards. The Dow should be up 20% for the end of the year. S&P up 25%. Bombay gained 72%. The FTSE gained 23%, and the Hang Seng was up 49%. Since so many individual stocks performed well this year, I'm going to break this up first with retail and suppliers and then diamond mining. So the best performer for retail and suppliers was Charles & Colvard, up 465% in 2009. LJ International came in second place. Shares rose 271%. Rajesh Exports gained 253%. Signet rose 208%. That's quite impressive, especially against competitor Zale, which was one of the few losers on our stock board for 2009. Fuki International rose 190%, rounding out the top 5 retail and suppliers. In mining, the top stock was Stornoway Diamonds, up 578%. Mawa Africa rose 278%. Peregrine Diamonds up 191%. A new mover and shaker on our list this year, Lucara Diamonds. It was up 135%. Shore Gold rounds up our top 5 mining companies. It was up 116%. Only a handful of losers this year across the whole pipeline. Mining and colored stone marketing firm Gemfields dropped 49% per share. Lazar Kaplan was down 39%. Zale lost 30%. Petra Diamonds was down 23%. And the Dallas Gold and Silver Exchange dropped 20%. Take a look at some of the top brands and how they performed in 2009. Look at that Blue Nile, up 163%. Hats off to Renaissance Jewelry, they were up 132%. Swashish Diamonds up 67%. Tiffany up 86%. Walmart down 4%. For the most part, not a bad year at all for industry investors. We, of course, all know gold had a second consecutive banner year. Returns are up in the 20% range for year 2009. How the new year begins for the metal depends a lot upon the greenback. Analysts are pointing to a stronger dollar, which could pressure gold in coming sessions. Here is a look at how precious metals performed for just this past week. All of us at Rapaport send you best wishes for a happy, healthy, and very prosperous 2010. Be sure to check diamonds.net for all the latest industry news.